The song list page is the main portal in MasterWriter. From here, you can access your existing songs, create new ones, organize them, and more. You can sort each of your songs by the date created, last modified, or alphabetically by name. To the right of each song are 3 dots. Click these to share, rename, or delete a specific song. A more thorough description of Share can be found under the Help menu in the chapter titled Share. In the search box, you can search on a word in the title or lyrics of your existing songs. Selecting titles and searching on the word love will list all titles containing the word love. Selecting lyrics and searching on a word will list any song that contains the word. You can export your songs to your local hard drive by clicking the Export button. By default, it will allow you to choose from all songs. You can choose to export all of your songs by clicking the box to the left of the title bar, or specific songs by clicking the box next to the song title. You can also export from a group of songs by selecting the group from the drop-down menu. When you're ready to export, click the Export button and the file will be saved to your local hard drive. When you're done exporting, you can click Cancel or the X at the top of the box. If you wish to organize your songs into groups, click New Group to create a folder. You can create as many folders as needed. From there, you can simply drag and drop songs into the appropriate group folder. When you create a new song, it will take you to the split screen mode, which will display your lyric page on the left and space for your search results on the right. To return to the song list page, click the Songs icon. You can also choose to only look at the dictionaries by clicking Dictionaries from the list page. A more comprehensive description of both these modes can be found under Help in the chapter titled Split Screens/Dictionaries Mode. To return to the list page, click the folder icon.